Still remains stolen. 3-on-1 ang laban. Reverse layup, pocket. Pass to 34 sa gitna, Caban. Bounce pass, Lace, pocket for 2. For the inbound.
Corner.
Jumper. And one, the friendly roll. Tablatin, attacking the defense. Reverse layup, pocket for 2. Mga idol, nandito tayo ngayon sa finals ng Ilocos Sur Intertown para sa laban ng Nagbukel at Banayoyo. Jump ball, alipin Caban. Message, Nagbukel. He goes out. Caban picks, dalawang tumalon. Too strong. Petros for Caban in. Long pass. Side by pull up J. Too strong. Rebound. Manzano with the ball. Combo 1 for 3. Bam! And it's number 1. A pass to Gisada. Bounce pass, Lace, easy. Here's Team Banayoyo trapping defense for Team Nagbukel. Gamboa na tapikan. Nakalusot. Fires off the glass, bucket. And he pass back. And the long pass, stolen. Caban, long pass. Sakto yung pasa. He drives, reverse layup, too strong, Caban, rebound, put back, Caban with the finish. He stole, almost stolen. Corner on the wings. Step back, attacks, Manzano. For the inbound, corner, pull up jumper. And one, the friendly roll. Tablatin, crossover. Tablatin with the ball. To the middle, pull up jumper. In and out, battle room for the rebound. Still remains stolen. 3-on-1 ang laban. And reverse layup, pocket. Tablatin with the ball. Tablatin, sumigway sa gitna, case corner. The wing, side step. Butter, wala. Oh, pumasok. Long pass. Up by 2. And here's Chongson. He drives, Lace. In and out. Tablatin. Tablatin with the ball. Tablatin, corner pass, pull up jumper, long 2, bucket. Johnson, bounce pass to the corner. He fires at 3. Bam! Slowly moving down. It bounce pass sa gitna. Oops, he kicks out. Tablatin, natapikan, stroke over, corner. Sa 3, short. Rebound, long pass, 2-on-1 ang laban. Manzano, easy to Manzano. And here you go, dribbling the ball. Pass to 34 sa gitna, Caban, bounce pass, Lace, pocket for 2. Garce. And sa 3, short. Rebound, pass inside, lead move. Takes clutch fire of the glass. Pawan. Setting the beta, Pawan. Pass the ball, Linis, corner pass. Drives to the middle to Pawan. No good. Fight for the rebound. Rebound, pull back shot. Bucket. And pass to the middle. And here's Barcanse. He pass back, Barcanse. Floater shot. Pass off. And here's number 24. He spin the Pawan. Pass inside. Fires off the glass. Corpus with the finish. Pawan. Natapikan. Sakto yung baseball pass. Sakto yung paso. Fires bucket off the glass. And we go long pass. And Caban, easy to Caban. For the inbound. Pass inside. Naagaw. And Recognu. Baseball pass. Nauna na. Fix. Uy! Block. Tatlo sila. That's the end. Johnson with the ball. Ginugulo. Valdez, pass to Chongson. To the corner. Barca sa side step. Whoa! And here you go. Tapawan. Pull up jumper. Tapawan. No good. Fight for the rebound. Caban. Oops. For team Nagbukel. To the middle. Alley-oop pass. So short. Rebound. Caban. Oh, so paral pa lang inabot. Grabe yun. Nakalusot. Valdez. And here you go. Number 1. Tablatin sa loob. Caban. Easy 2. Barcanse. Pass to Manzano goes to the oops. Nakalusot. 1 go. Good back shot. Barcanse with the finish. Tablatin. Pass to number 20, Tapawan. Tapawan pull up jumper at the free throw, no good. Batting for the rebound. Manzano pass break. And here's Valdez, nakakwarta. Pumato. The inbound. Bounce pass to Tablatin. Tablatin attacking the defense. Reverse layup. Bucket for 2. And here's Alibin. Alibin. Pass to open for 3. Chongson. Short. Rebound, Tapawan. Tapawan. Basun, sakto yung pasa. And now finish by Agisanda. Chongson in hurry. Chongson bounce pass. Si Barcase, may foul. Backdoor inbound, Banayoyo. Barcase, sakto yung pasa. Basket and 1 by Manzano. And is number 1, Tablatin. Tablatin. Agisanda, Corpus. Corner pass, Corpus with the ball. Tablatin, step back, drives, kicks out, fires, short, rebound. Manzano, Manzano, kicks out, wide open for 3. Bang! And here you go. And here's Tablatin. Tablatin, cross pass, Corpus. Pinabitin, basok na klase. And is Garcase. Bounce pass, wide open, left alone for 3. Bang! Here you go. Sa 3. No good. Rebound, put back, hook shot, bucket. Gamboa. Gamboa na tapikan. And tatlo sila. Initbit. Easy bucket. Agisanda. Gamboa. Natapikan. Recover. Behind the legs. Sa gitna. Garnase libreng-libre. Easy 2. Pasqua. And is Tablatin. Tablatin. Pass the ball. Crossover move. Tapawan. Pass to the corner. Falling away. Okay na. Caban fakes. Clutch. Far of the glass. Caban with the finish. Gamboa. Pasqua. Garcase. Sa 3. Gamboa. Bang! Another. Tablatin.
50-39. Banayoyo up by 11 points.
Tablatin. Agisanda for 3. Off the mark. Battle for the rebound. Still. Goes to Nagbukel. Kicks out. Sa 3. Bang! And the long pass. Na-oop. For the inbound. Backdoor inbound. Looking for the receiver. Sa gitna. Tablatin. Tablatin. Nadali. Oops. This easy 2 on the inside. Chongson. Bounce pass. Pass back Chongson. Inside pa. The love pass. And the finish. What a finish. Tablatin. I-pass to number 2. Natapikan. Bounce pass inside. Caban. Drives. Fires. Oh, traveling. And Garcase. Drives. Lays off the glass. Garcase. Tablatin. Spins. Floater shot of the window. Tablatin. 10 seconds on the game clock. He drives. Oops. Caban. Kaban to the hoops. Please. Oh, at the buzzer. Chongson. I-pass back. Chongson. Manzano. Chongson. Pass back Chongson. Nasakto. Corner. Step back. Launch. Tablatin. Corpus. Clotter. Short. Ay, tapawan pala yun. And here you go, Garcase drives to the hoop, pocket and one! Nakalusot. Agisanda, ipas, side step, fire, bucket. Chongson. Chongson with the drive to the corner. Escanio to Alibin, quarter and one! Backdoor inbound. Here's number 9. Drives to the hoops. He lays. Oh, libre easy to. And here's number 0, Chongson. Sa 3. Bang! Tablatin.
Here's number 1, Tablatin. Tablatin with the ball.
Ipas to Kaban. Tablatin. Steam. Skids out. Gisanda for 3. Bang! And long pass. Manzano with the receive. Fars of the glass. Manzano. Tablatin. Stop. Decided for 3. No good. Rebound. Alibin. Baseball pass. Sakto. Manzano na naman. Coast to coast far. Bucket. The side step. And here's Kaban. Kaban the drives. Slow mo shot. Fires in. Basket and Valdez to the hoops. Nakalusot. Valdez with the finish. Tablatin. Kaban. He drives. Tinagasaan. Battle for the rebound. Tablatin. Kicks out. Gaisanda wide open for 3. Won't go. And rebound. Tablatin. Uy. Kicks out. Sa gitna. Garcase pinabitin. No good. Rebound pa rin. Nice strong move. And one. And pass to Valdez to the corner. Pull up jumper. Bucket of the wins of Kapawan. Kapawan. Corner. Kaban pass inside. Bucket for 2. Valdez at the logo. Stop. Pass. Sareño sa gitna. Alipin kicks out. Pull up jumper. Cabinet. And one. And drives kicks out. Kapang is Tablatin for 3. Bang! Rebound. And 10-point lead. Pass back. Manzano. Manzano. Pass back. Sa gitna. Pull up J. Barcase. No good. Rebound. Block. And Manzano bumalik sa gitna. And Valdez pass on side, stolen. Base long pass. And Kapawan. Bucket. Down to 8 points. And is Banayoyo. Barcase. Valdez. Mapapa-defense ngayon dito ang team. And fires Garcase off the glass. Bucket for Kapawan. Kapawan, corner, Tablatin, spins, sa 3, no good, rebound, Kapawan, pinabitin, no good, Kapawan pa rin, wala pa rin, Ublak, Alipin for the rebound, then he just nagmamadali, inside pass, kicks out, Barcase, for inbound, another ball for Banayoyo. Pasa, ang gandang pasa and a perfect Kaban. Kapawan. Kapawan. Yung spins. For 3. Bang! Pass to Garcase. Escanio. Garcase. Pigs. Nakalusot. Pass to Maydel. Pinipin. Bumalik. Place. Bagan. Guys. Tablatin. Pass to Dami Tapikan. Na-recover, Kapawan. Attacks, pinabitin. And here's Escano. Pass to Chongson. Manzano drives, lays, oop, traveling, no bas. Kapawan, kicks out, pass inside, bounce pass, ang gandang give and take, grab, and Manzano, slow, Chai Tongson, pass bounce, Karskatse, but wala, and Alibin, cross pass, Tongson or 3, no good, rebound, pa rin, libre, Alibin with the finish, and 12-point lead again, Kapawan, oop, pass, libre, Agisanda, bang! Manzano, Johnson, cross pass, Garnanse, follow-up pass, alapas, and nagmamadali, and here's Caban, drives to the hoops of the glass, bucket for 2, and that's the end, and Nadim Banayoyo for the ball, and Gamboa to the corner, Manzano attacks, side step, hook shot, bucket! And here's Kapawan, Tablatin for 3, short, rebound, Caban, pass inside, Tablatin, in the middle, Agisanda drives, please, bucket for 2, and here you go, Gamboa, stop, bounce pass, Garcanse, Manzano, pass in the middle, ang gandang pasa, pass on the finish, and here's Kapawan, Tablatin sa gitna, attacks, Caban off the glass, no good, rebound, floater shot, Agisanda, wala pa rin, still, oops, Manzano, bumalik, Manzano, binitbit all the way to the hoops, Tablatin, Caban sumigway, straight to the hoops, Boa at the middle, ipass to Manzano, drives to the middle, drives to the hoops, lays, bucket, Manzano, and here you go, Gamboa, stops, oops, natapikan, and here's Caban spins, nakalusot, hook shot, in and out, Caban another one, oop, may foul, Caban, pass, and one, Caban, and on the free throw, bucket, and here you go, Timba na Yoyo, number 9, Escanio sa gitna, wala, short, saves the ball, kicks out Chongson, no corner, fires, my foul, and one, the free throw, in and out, rebound, Caban, Kapawan to the hoops, short, rebound, bounce pass, another one, floater, bucket, and here's Timba na Yoyo, Escanio nakalusot, Escanio, days, left-handed days, bucket, easy 2, Kapawan, nakalusot, pass, pinabitin, and one, free throw, bucket, 6-point ball, Valdez is slowly moving down, Valdez nakalusot, Valdez, pass, too hot, Garganse may foul, and one, Garganse, and it's Tablatin, long pass, Agisanda, Corpus, Tablatin spins, fires off the glass, Tablatin, Manzano, Garcanse against Caban, side step, fires, my foul, on the free throw line, Garcanse, pasok yan, doon, pinasan si Corpus with the bandage, drives to the hoops, bucket, in and out, and Manzano, knock fires off the glass, short, Rebound, Kapawan. Pass break, sakto yung pasa. Lace, bucket! And here you go. Alibin, Corpus, and versus Alibin. Oops, saves the ball. Alibin nakalusot. Pinasa sa corner. Pasok yan. Manzano lead. Kapawan. Kicks out. Corpus. Natapikan na agaw ni Alibin. Manzano. Hook pass. Alibin natapikan. Corpus. Oop. Naagaw. Kicks out. Garcansay pass inside. Reverse layup. Oh, may foul. On the free throw line. Bakit? Pa-defense ang mga timba na Yoyo. Kapawan nakalusot. Stop sa gitna. Kaban loses the ball. Baseball pass. Sakto yung pasa. Manzano bumangga. May foul for the inbound. Number 24, Kapawan. Pass. Fires off the glass. Bakit? Back to 7. Hook pass. And long pass. Manzano, easy to. Long pass. Gisanda, reverse layup. Good. Rebound. Kaban, may foul. In and out. Rebound. Valdez. Garcansay nakalusot. Easy to. Baseball pass. Naagaw. And here you go. And Gisanda drives to the hoops. Bakit? 8-point lead.
Exactly 1 minute remaining.
Nakalusot. Valdez. Attacks. Liz. Valdez with the finish. And here you go. Fakes. Binato. Uy. Valdez goes out.
30 seconds, keep up.
Liz. Bakit? Uy. Libre. Bang! Hinabol yung Banayoyo.